Hi everyone, it's Flo and I'm here today for a makeup tutorial, a review and some swatches of the new VISEART Paris Edits collection. Today's video is all about VISEART. They were kind enough to send me the collection. I have the Paris Edit palette and a new product category from them, which are the lip glosses. There are 4 of them and I'm going to demonstrate how they look on my face, and I hope you will enjoy. So let's begin. I already prepped my skin with some moisturizer and also those 2 foundations. This is a CC cream from Thrive Cosmetics. I really enjoy this one because it creates a nice canvas, it evens out the skin, it creates a nice glow, and it looks very natural and it's lightweight. I use this foundation also. This is from Nabla. This is the Close-Up Futuristic Foundation, and I am in the shade L50, and this is in the range light. I have light medium skin with yellow undertone, and I use this especially on my forehead to avoid any shyness, especially if I'm filming like this, but also in real life. I use this foundation paired with this one, and today I use this sponge. It's also from Nabla. I like this one because you see it has some flat edges like this, more precise edges, and also the big part here to bounce onto the skin. And also for bronzing my skin, I use this bronzer from Laura Mercier. This is the Matte Radiance Baked Powder, and it's Bronze 03. I enjoy also warm bronzer because I can use them as blush as well, which is always a good thing to speed up the process. And I also did my brows with this pencil from Benefit. This is precisely my brow pencil, and the shade is 5. And that's it. So this is the base where I'm going to start from. Today I'm using the Paris Edit palette from VISEART. They were kind enough to send me the product. I think this palette is very cute, very elegant and sophisticated, perfect for bridal look and also for everyday glam. We have some beautiful rosy shades, some dusty mauves, a little bit darker here to deepen up the look. You have a little bit of gray also, some bronzy shades, some pinkish, and also this beautiful highlighter, which is a duochrome shadow. The first shade I'm going to pick up is this mauve shade. I think it's so pretty. Today I'm showing you a soft glam look, my typical go-to looks. Taking a blending brush like this, and I'm dabbing the product, and I put here on my imaginary crease because you know I don't have a crease, so I put here the shadow to create more depth, you know, because you can see my eyelid is really flat. Going to be a little bit closer so that you can see precisely what I do. So put some product here, see, and then I'm taking a brush that is a little bit smaller, and I'm dabbing the product here. I'm going to place the product here onto the lower outer part of my eyes. Creates some definition again. I like to build the colors together and create definition because yeah, when you have monolids, they are very flat, and yeah, I like this type of look. So you see, I place the product here, especially onto the outer part, and also I'm coming back here. I could take another brush, much smaller. Here it's a Real Technique brush, like this one also, because it's small and it's perfect for my eye shape, because my eyes are so small also. So, you know, I place the product especially onto the roots like this, so there is no gap between the lashes and the skin. So I place the product here, this, and I like a thick eyeliner look. So I'm placing the product quite thick here, so I can see the shadow in this area. And then I like to use my fingers. I'm using this beautiful rosy shade here, and I just dabbing the product here. It's super intense. And with the first blending brush that we used, we can blend everything together, so there is a nice transition. And I'm going back with the dark shade here onto this area, so it's not totally washed out. And onto the lower lash line, I'm using a Colourpop brush, this one. This is a pencil brush, E10. And I'm going back with this dark shadow because I like, you know, more smoky effect. And I'm putting the product like this. And make sure to join the corners together so it's seamless. And of course you want to smoke out the edges to have a seamless blend. I'm using this brush from Unit, like this one, because it's very pointy and fine. I'm using this beautiful shade onto the inner corner, so it creates really a more luminous look. Not too much, because of course I want the look to look natural and sophisticated. We are almost done. And the last shade I'm using is this beautiful pink shade. It's very beautiful, dusty, and I put that here, you know, the transition here and the brow bone. I'm going to be using this product from Kaja. This is the wing stamp for winged eyeliner stamp, the right side and the left side, to create the eyeliner. So you see here, there's that stamp. So it's very easy, I feel like. You just follow the line here, you know, continue the line here to elongate the eye like this, and just stamp it using a serial liner by Nabla. When I'm here in front of you, I just want to see a little line here, so create this line, and you just have to join everything like this. For me it's quite simple to create a cat eye, but if you need some help, I think this can be helpful. So now I'm filling the gap. You know, the line here seems pretty big, but when you are facing me, you can't see too much of that line. See, when you look at my eyes, it's not too intense when you're facing like this. Now the last step for my eyes, a little bit of mascara from Nabla. This is Major Pleasure. And you wiggle the brush like this onto the lash. What I like to do to speed up the process and to curl the lashes at the same time, using a Q-tip, and I just remove the excess like this, you know? And also the lower lashes, of course. I like to put mascara onto the lower lashes because it creates more definition again onto my eyes. So I noticed a little bit of fallout here, so I just remove everything. And yeah, this is the eye look. I can do a close-up. So next, if you want to follow along, we can do it one more time. So I'm taking the shade, and I place like this onto the transition here, transition space, I would say. Then with that brush, we're going to smoke out the look with the shade, the dark one. And you place the product here. And you notice I don't swipe vigorously my brush. I like to dab the product here, little by little, because if you use too strong movements, you remove all the things. So here, I'm using this one now. Again, the dark shade here with a pencil brush. Selection of color is really cute, I find. Blend a little bit here. I'm adding that beautiful rosy tone, shimmery rosy tone here. That's very intense, so don't put too much. I'm placing again nice transition, no harsh demarcation. This is the most important. Again, a little bit more here, so it's more smoky. A little bit of that beautiful duochrome goldenish eyeshadow. Like that. Last step, this one, to create the soft pastel shade transition. Also make sure that everything is symmetrical. And that's it, very, very simple. And now you just have to face the mirror, and I like to place a dot like this. And I join the corners like this. Like this, and I fill in the gap. You do whatever you like. You make sure that everything is symmetrical. And the mascara. You can already curl your lashes, but sometimes I'm too lazy to do it. So I'm using my favorite mascara of the moment. This one is really cool because it doesn't smudge at all. And really this mascara is cool because it gives me some curls, which rarely happens, when you have flat lashes like mine. And we are done with the eyes. And today I wanted to show you a new range of products from VISEART, and those are the lip glosses. Here we have 4 shades, very neutral and chic as usual. And I'm going to demonstrate how they look on me. The first shade is Petal. It doesn't give too much color to the lips, but I think on top of a lipstick, it's really gorgeous. It gives that shine, and it's very comfortable. It's not sticky at all, which I like. Next shade is called Beignet. I like this light brown tone. You see, it doesn't give too much color, but a little bit of tint, something warm. Next, this is a beautiful name. It's called Fleur, and this is this movie shade. And the last shade is called Cerise. It's cherry in English. So here's how it looks. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, I hope to see you very soon for other reviews and other makeup looks. And I am also on Instagram every day, so if you want to talk to me or if you want to like my pictures, you can go there. So I hope you will enjoy, and see you very soon.